Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today I got a package in the mail that I was kind of expecting. I was expecting a knife sheath to come in the mail from Candace because she wanted me to remake like a little knife sheath. Don't mind all the decorations, it's actually my daughter's 13th birthday. She's out getting her birthday dinner to bring home with her mom, and then we're off to lacrosse games for her brother and lacrosse practices and everything else. So that's why there's all those decorations. But look at this package right here. One, that's a big package. Two, if it's a knife sheath, why does it say this side up? I don't know, Candace. Are you trying to play tricks on me? Let's find out. I'll get you set up and we'll get right to it. Alright, so I got some of it cut open already. Let's see what we've got going on in here. What in the world? Oh my gosh! Candace, you sent me a box full of packaging peanuts? There's nothing in here at all. It's just a whole bunch of packing peanuts. You're a real trickster. No, I'm just kidding. I just wanted to share Candace's love of packaging peanuts with everybody, as she sent them all over to me, so now they're all over my floor because I decided to make a mess. But yes, I had already previously opened up the box. And look at this beautiful little tree. Sorry, the lighting's not awesome in here. I didn't get to unwrap the base yet. I thought of that funny joke and I figured it would be rather suiting to share that with you guys. So I'm kind of liking this whole phone record thing when it lets me flip in the middle of recording. That's actually really cool. But she sent me a little note along to me and it made me laugh because I know this is because of the way that I took care of my last elm tree. It says, "Dear Bobcat, please don't leave me outside next winter. Also, I hail from the north, a place of eternal winter. It's been many months without warmth and sun. I'd appreciate some shade until I acclimate. The Lil Twisty, Chinese Elm." I appreciate that, Candace. I'm actually going to not only keep him in the shade, I am also going to keep him in the house for the next 2 days until Saturday. We're in this drastic warm snap, and for some unknown reason to anybody, it's like 90 degrees in Pennsylvania. But then it's going to cool down and we'll get some rain this weekend. So he's going to go outside first thing Saturday morning. All right. I really appreciate it, Candace, and thank you. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.